Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can watch TikTok live without them knowing. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So what we're going to do over here is simply going to go ahead and open up our TikTok app. Once we have opened up our TikTok app, what you're going to do, we're going to tap on this little profile icon given at the bottom right corner. We're going to tap on this little drop down icon on top and tap on add account. Now we're going to get logged in with a dummy account of ours and the other account where you are anonymous altogether. Once you have logged in, you're going to go back to your home section, and this is how the interface again going to be like. Then you're going to tap on the live option. You go to the live, you're going to simply go to the live over there, and then you will be able to join it with anonymous name, because it is eventually supposed to show your name for as the streamer can check out the name itself. So what you're going to do, you're going to simply sign in with a dummy account, and there you go. You will be able to join and they will not know that it is you. That's how you can do it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.